Good morning, fam. Welcome to a fresh start to your day. This is your moment to wake up your body, reset your posture, and get ready to conquer anything ahead. If you've woken up feeling stiff, or like you just need a boost of energy to kickstart your day, this routine is perfect for you. It's all about activating your entire body, creating movement, and finding balance. No fancy equipment required. Just a mat, some space to stretch, and your energy. Whether you're in your bedroom, living room, or outside soaking up some sunshine, this flow is for you. Day stretches focus on waking up your spine, lengthening your sides, and activating your core and hips. Most people could stay in bed a little longer, but here's you showing up for yourself. I promise you, by the end of this routine, you'll feel energized, flexible, and ready to take on anything. Let's hit the mat. Let's begin by tuning into our breath, moving our spine with cat-cow, a gentle but powerful way to wake up your body. Start on all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale deeply as you drop your belly, lift your chest, and tilt your tailbone up for cow pose. Exhale as you round your back. Tuck your chin and press through your hands for cat pose. Flow back and forth with your breath. This stretch lubricates your spine, improves mobility, and releases tension from the back and neck. I promise by the end of this minute, you'll feel more connected to your body and ready for movement. If your wrists feel sensitive, make fists or place a towel under your hands for support. Take one more round of cat-cow, and then tuck your toes under to lift into downward dog. Let's elongate your entire body with downward dog, a classic stretch that will invigorate your back, legs, and shoulders. Press your hands firmly into the mat. Tuck your toes and lift your hips high toward the sky. Let your head hang heavy. Gaze toward your knees and press your heels gently toward the floor. Breathe deeply as you feel the stretch travel through your hamstrings and spine. This pose is a full body energizer. It stretches your legs, spine, and shoulders while grounding you. I promise after this pose you'll feel taller and more awake. Bend your knees if your hamstrings feel tight, or alternate bending one knee at a time to walk your dog. Lower back down to your mat and prepare for bird dog to activate your core. Now let's stabilize and strengthen your core with bird dog, a movement that builds balance and focus. On all fours, extend your right arm forward and your left leg straight back, creating a long line from your fingertips to your toes. Keep your hips square and your core engaged. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch to the left arm and right leg. This movement strengthens your core, improves coordination, and engages your back and glutes. I promise you feel more stable and centered by the end of the stretch. If balancing feels tricky, stop by extending just your leg or arm before combining both. Return to all fours, then rise into a kneeling position as we stretch into our sides. Let's release tension from your sides and hips with kneeling side angle stretch, a stretch that creates space and flow in your body. Kneel on the mat, step your right foot out into a low lunge. Rest your right forearm lightly on your thigh. Extend overhead, reaching toward your left side. Breathe deeply into the stretch. Gently swing your arm for 30 seconds, then switch sides. Left foot out, left arm overhead, and swing gently. This stretch lengthens your side body, opens your hips, and relieves tightness in your lower back. I promise you'll feel elongated and balanced after this. If kneeling feels uncomfortable, place a cushion under your knee for support. Slowly rise standing for a final stretch. Standing side bend. Let's finish strong with standing side bends. A simple yet powerful stretch to lengthen your sides and improve your posture. Stand tall with your feet hip width apart. Inhale as you lift your arm overhead, and exhale as you reach to the left, feeling a deep stretch along your right side. Hold for a few seconds, then switch sides. Continue alternating for 1 minute, moving fluidly with your breath. This stretch promotes balance, opens your sides, and counteracts tightness from sitting or slouching. I promise you'll feel taller, more aligned, and ready to take on the day. If you want a deeper stretch, place your opposite hand on your hip for support as you lean. Finish your last side bend. Take a deep inhale and exhale as you return to center to close out our session. Fam, you crushed it. In just 5 minutes, you activated your core, stretched your spine, and opened up your entire body. Most people would skip this, but you showed up. And that's what sets you apart. Small, consistent actions like this lead to big transformations. Before you leave, just remember that you've already won the day. Next time you see that notification bell go off, just press play and join the fam for a stretch. And also, feel free to invite your friends to join. It's always better when we move together. And don't forget to grab your free gift in the description to help you level up in the new year. It's a game changer. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.